Okay, so question 2010, and this is 11C, and this time it came up as part B. Oxygen is produced on an industrial scale by the liquefaction, fractional distillation of air. What substances are removed in the purification of the air feedstock before it is liquefied? So, part I here, substances that are removed. First substance, carbon dioxide, also water vapor. Okay, and you'd also have dust as well. Okay, describe with the aid of a label diagram how the fractional distillation of the pure liquid air is carried out. So what we have here is fed into my tower. I have compressed air, or what's sometimes called liquid air. So that's fed into my tower. It's fed into a fractionating column, and I have an outlet at the top, and I have an outlet at the bottom. Okay, and then my liquid air being fed in. In this, I have a series of levels and trays. Okay, so we're asked here, describe with the aid of a label diagram. So that's my label diagram, and it has to contain one correct label. Okay, this here is my fractionating column. And remember, nitrogen always comes out on top, and oxygen always comes out on the bottom. Okay, so compressed air is heated. As it's heated, it warms up in the column. Okay, and then oxygen collects at the bottom, at the base. Nitrogen comes off at the top. Okay, remember oxygen has my higher boiling point. So because it has the higher boiling point, it comes off lower down. Okay, explain whether the fractional distillation of air is a continuous or a batch process. So if I look at this, my air is continually fed in at one end and my products are continually fed out at the other. And that is a characteristic of a continuous process. Okay, and you're asked to explain, so you have to explain it. Why? Because air goes in at one end and the products come out at the other. Okay, and then you're asked name and give one industrial use of a co-product of the fractional distillation of air. Okay, so we're told oxygen is produced, but along with the oxygen, the next other big gas I have produced is nitrogen. Okay, so that involved you there reading the question that oxygen is produced on an industrial scale. And nitrogen is used for, so it is used in packaging to keep foods fresh or to prevent oxidation. Okay, and it's also used in the freezing of food or sperm or semen. Okay, again, there is a good kind of list of those, I'm sure, in the exam paper answers.